Hey Shane, so I guess the easiest way is just to kind of make a video to show you this because I'm not sure why you're having problems. The first thing is everything is Google Chrome. It works in Google Chrome. You'll never have to use Internet Explorer. I think the last time I used Internet Explorer was probably 3 years ago, 5 years ago. I don't know. Never used that. So Chrome works everything. So the first thing you had a question about was this demographics 2010. So all you do is click Symbology, change the style here. And then here's your counts and amounts. And then you can select your counts and amounts, click on the options. You can change things here. You can select range. If you want to classify data, you mentioned somewhere about classifying data, you can click on classify. You can do natural breaks, so forth, and change it there. So you can see how this changes, or you can unclassify it. And now it's a proportional symbol. You can change the symbol. So there's all that kind of stuff you can do. So the next question you had was on step 8, looking at this data. And we wanted to look at New York City Farmers Markets. So I'll turn that on, and those are represented by the stars. And then we wanted to do form, and then we wanted to, what was it? Summarize, aggregate points. So we farmers markets, and the next thing it says you want to use New York City income 2014. We want to uncheck this box, leave all these defaults. We need to give it a name, and I'm just going to call it junk 2, and uncheck the map extent, and then run analysis. And so it's going to run, and it'll probably take a few minutes to run there. And as you can see, it's doing something up here. And it'll take a few minutes since it's processing all this stuff in the cloud on Esri's servers that who knows where they are. Maybe Amazon. And there's done. And there we are. And so now it kind of shows you it's aggregated these things to a point, and it'll show you how many low income tracts have farmers markets. So there's 2 in there. You can look through this. You can go to Symbology. So count of points. So it's going to say, well, how many farmers markets are in that census tract? Or you can just kind of show locations only, and it'll show you those tracts. So you can kind of figure out how many tracts have farmers markets in them. So that's how you do it. I'm not sure why you had a difficulty doing this. Again, you can always do it in Google Chrome. That's the only web browser I ever use. So yeah, you can also see farmers market. This is the census tract.